Top 5 Best Drinks that Support Kidney Function Naturally. The kidneys play a vital role in maintaining the body's internal balance. They continuously filter waste products from the blood, regulate fluid levels, maintain electrolyte balance, support acid-base regulation, and assist in controlling blood pressure. Because the kidneys work quietly and efficiently, early strain often goes unnoticed until function begins to decline. Kidney health is closely linked to hydration status, circulation, metabolic balance, and daily beverage choices. Over time, dehydration, excess sugar intake, and poor drink habits can quietly increase stress on kidney filtration. This is especially important for older adults, as kidney function naturally changes with age. Morning and daily drink choices offer an opportunity to support hydration and reduce unnecessary kidney workload. While no drink can cure kidney disease or replace medical treatment, certain gentle, science-aligned beverages, when used consistently and appropriately, may help support kidney function and overall metabolic balance. This article focuses on 5 supportive drinks, chosen for their hydration benefits, antioxidant content, and gentle impact on the kidneys. Understanding how drinks support kidney function. The kidneys are highly sensitive to changes in hydration levels, blood sugar balance, sodium intake, and oxidative stress. When the body does not receive enough fluids, urine production slows and waste products become more concentrated, increasing the workload on kidney filtration. Similarly, repeated blood sugar spikes and excess sodium intake can place additional metabolic and circulatory stress on the kidneys over time, making their regulatory tasks more demanding. Supportive drinks help the kidneys primarily by maintaining steady hydration, which allows normal urine flow and reduces unnecessary strain on filtration processes. When fluid levels are balanced, the kidneys are better able to dilute waste products and regulate electrolytes efficiently. Proper hydration also supports blood volume and circulation, ensuring that the kidneys receive adequate blood flow to perform their filtering role effectively. Many supportive drinks also contain natural plant compounds that help protect blood vessels and improve circulation. Healthy blood vessel function is essential for kidney health because the kidneys depend on a constant supply of oxygenated blood to filter waste from the bloodstream. Improved circulation supports smoother filtration and helps reduce stress on kidney tissues. Another important benefit of well-chosen drinks is their role in managing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules build up faster than the body can neutralize them, potentially affecting kidney cells and blood vessels over time. Drinks that provide antioxidants help support cellular balance and protect tissues from long-term wear without overstimulating kidney activity. In addition, certain drinks support digestion and metabolic efficiency, which indirectly benefits kidney function. Efficient digestion helps prevent the buildup of metabolic waste products, reducing the burden placed on the kidneys to remove them. When digestion and metabolism are balanced, the kidneys can focus on their normal regulatory roles rather than compensating for ongoing metabolic stress. True kidney support is not about flushing toxins or aggressive cleansing practices. Instead, it comes from steady hydration, mindful drink choices, moderation, and long-term consistency. These habits help reduce cumulative strain on kidney filtration and allow the kidneys to function more efficiently over time as part of a balanced, supportive lifestyle. 1. Black coffee. Black coffee contains natural antioxidants, particularly polyphenol, which help the body manage oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules accumulate faster than the body can neutralize them, and over time this process can affect blood vessels and kidney tissues. By contributing antioxidant support, black coffee may play an indirect role in protecting kidney-related circulation and cellular health. Research has linked moderate coffee consumption with improved metabolic and circulatory function in healthy adults. Good circulation is especially important for kidney function because the kidneys rely on a steady and well-regulated blood supply to filter waste products efficiently. When blood flow is stable, kidney filtration can occur with less strain and greater efficiency. It is important to emphasize that these benefits are associated with moderate intake only. Excessive coffee consumption or coffee loaded with sugar, cream, or flavored syrups can counteract potential benefits by increasing blood sugar spikes and metabolic stress. Plain black coffee allows the natural compounds to provide support without adding unnecessary burden to the kidneys. For practical use, 1 small cup of plain black coffee is sufficient. Individuals who are sensitive to caffeine, experience anxiety, sleep disruption, or have been advised to limit caffeine intake should reduce consumption or avoid it altogether. 2. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is rich in naturally occurring plant antioxidants that help support blood vessel health and assist the body in managing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can affect both blood vessels and kidney tissues over time, making antioxidant intake an important part of long-term kidney support. Healthy blood vessels allow smoother blood flow, which is essential because the kidneys rely on a consistent and well-regulated blood supply to filter waste and maintain fluid balance. Blood pressure regulation is closely connected to kidney function, as the kidneys play a key role in controlling fluid volume and vascular resistance. When circulation remains balanced and blood vessels stay flexible, the kidneys are able to perform their filtering and regulatory tasks more efficiently and with less strain. Hibiscus tea supports this process indirectly by contributing to vascular health rather than acting directly on the kidneys. Hibiscus tea is naturally caffeine-free, which makes it a gentle hydration option, especially suitable for older adults or those sensitive to stimulants. When brewed lightly and consumed without added sugar, it contributes to daily fluid intake while supporting circulation and hydration. Adequate hydration combined with vascular support helps reduce unnecessary workload on kidney filtration over time. Preparation matters with hibiscus tea. Strong or highly concentrated brews are not necessary and may cause discomfort for some individuals. The supportive benefits of hibiscus come from mild, consistent use rather than frequent or heavy consumption. A light brew allows the body to benefit from its plant compounds without overstimulation. Individuals who are taking blood pressure-lowering medications should consult a healthcare professional before using hibiscus tea regularly. Because hibiscus can influence circulation, personalized guidance helps ensure that it fits safely within an individual's overall health plan. 3. Cucumber smoothie. Cucumber is composed of more than 90% water, which makes it one of the most hydrating vegetables available. Hydration is a foundational factor in kidney support because the kidneys depend on adequate fluid levels to maintain normal urine flow and efficiently filter waste products from the blood. When hydration is steady, waste products remain diluted, and the kidneys are able to perform their regulatory functions with less strain. A diluted cucumber smoothie provides gentle hydration without causing sudden increases in blood sugar. Unlike many fruit-based drinks, cucumber has a very low natural sugar content, which helps maintain metabolic stability. Stable blood sugar levels reduce unnecessary metabolic stress that can indirectly affect kidney workload over time. Cucumbers also contain small amounts of natural plant compounds that support digestion and metabolic balance. Efficient digestion helps reduce the buildup of metabolic byproducts that the kidneys would otherwise need to filter. By supporting digestive comfort and hydration together, cucumber smoothies contribute indirectly to a more balanced internal environment. Because cucumber is mild and non-irritating, it is generally well tolerated when properly diluted. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for regular use in small amounts, especially in the morning or between meals, without overstimulating kidney filtration. For practical use, fresh cucumber should be blended with water only. A small glass is sufficient to support hydration. Adding fruit, salt, or sweeteners is unnecessary and may reduce the kidney supportive benefits. 4. Parsley juice. Parsley contains natural plant compounds that support urinary flow and fluid balance. It has been traditionally used in small amounts to promote urinary comfort, which is closely connected to kidney function. Proper urine flow helps reduce stagnation and supports the kidney's natural regulatory processes. When parsley juice is prepared lightly and diluted well, it may help support fluid balance without overstimulating kidney filtration. Its supportive effect comes from gentle, occasional use rather than frequent or concentrated consumption. This mild approach aligns with how the kidneys function best, through steady balance rather than forced stimulation. Parsley juice is not intended for daily or large volume use. Overuse may place unnecessary stress on the kidneys or interact with certain medications. Taking breaks between uses allows the body to benefit from its supportive properties while avoiding potential imbalance. For preparation, a small handful of fresh parsley should be blended with water, strained if desired, and diluted further before consumption. Only a small glass should be consumed, and it is best used occasionally rather than as a daily habit. Individuals taking blood-thinning medications, those with kidney conditions, or anyone advised to limit certain plant compounds should consult a healthcare professional before using parsley juice regularly. Personalized guidance ensures that dietary choices remain safe and appropriate. 5. Bottle gourd juice. Bottle gourd is a very light, water-rich vegetable that is naturally low in sugar, sodium, and calories. Its high water content makes it especially supportive for hydration, which is one of the most important factors for kidney health. Adequate hydration helps maintain normal urine flow, allowing waste products to remain diluted and reducing unnecessary strain on kidney filtration. In addition to supporting hydration, bottle gourd contributes to digestive and metabolic balance. Efficient digestion helps limit the buildup of metabolic waste that the kidneys must process. When the digestive system functions smoothly, the kidneys are less likely to be overburdened by excess byproducts. This indirect support is particularly valuable for older adults, whose metabolic efficiency may change with age. When prepared correctly, bottle gourd juice is gentle and generally well tolerated. It should always be fresh and mild in taste. Any bitterness in bottle gourd is a clear sign of spoilage or toxicity and must be taken seriously. Bitter bottle gourd should never be consumed, as it can be harmful. For safe use, fresh bottle gourd should be peeled and chopped, blended with water, strained if desired, and diluted well. Only a small glass should be consumed, preferably in the morning. Salt, sugar, or other additives should not be added, as they reduce its kidney supportive qualities. Common beverage mistakes that stress the kidneys. Many people place unnecessary strain on their kidneys through daily beverage choices without realizing it. Sweetened juices, sodas, energy drinks, and flavored coffees often contain high amounts of added sugar and artificial ingredients. These substances increase metabolic stress, promote dehydration, and require additional kidney filtration over time. Excessive caffeine intake, especially on an empty stomach, can further disrupt hydration balance and place added demand on the kidneys. While caffeine itself is not inherently harmful in moderation, overuse or reliance on caffeinated drinks in place of water can quietly undermine kidney support. The goal is not fear or complete elimination of certain beverages, but mindful reduction and better timing. Gradually replacing sugary or highly processed drinks with gentler options and plain water is a sustainable approach that supports kidney health over the long term. Who should be careful? Although gentle, diluted drinks can be supportive for many individuals, some people should take extra caution. Those living with kidney disease, diabetes, high potassium levels, kidney stones, or those taking prescription medications should consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to their beverage routine. Certain ingredients, even natural ones, may not be appropriate for all conditions. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should also seek personalized guidance before using juices or herbal drinks regularly. Individual needs vary, and professional advice helps ensure that dietary choices remain safe, balanced, and appropriate. Paying attention to how the body responds is essential. Any discomfort, unusual symptoms, or changes should be taken as a signal to adjust intake or seek guidance. These drinks are not medicine, treatments, or cures, and they do not remove toxins instantly. Their role is to gently support hydration, circulation, and metabolic balance when used consistently and in moderation as part of a healthy lifestyle. The kidneys benefit most from a holistic approach that includes steady fluid intake, balanced meals, controlled sugar and sodium consumption, adequate sleep, stress management, and regular physical activity. No single drink can replace these foundational habits. Small, realistic daily choices, such as selecting gentle, kidney-supportive beverages, create meaningful long-term benefits far more effectively than extreme routines or short-term solutions.